Hello, this is channel Layer Ace, and in this quick video I wanted to share some brushes that I created, and these brushes are called Wavy line creator. So using these brushes you can create your own wavy line effects. And to do this, just open up apps file and click on one of the brushes. Click B or select brush tool and draw your brush like that. And you can select and change the brush. And create your own wavy background. And to download apps file you have to become a patron on my Patreon page, and if you become patron you can download all files from my Patreon page, or you can also buy this for $5 on graphicriver. The links will be in video description. And okay, thanks for watching this quick video, and goodbye.